Hi, this is Abbey Colville, Vice President of Operations and Lead SharePoint Developer at Vision Computer Solutions. SharePoint is a collaborative tool that helps your team work together more effectively.
OneNote is a digital notebook that allows team members to share ideas, add tasks and reminders, and keep an overall repository of thoughts in one simple digital place. A great use for OneNote is meeting minutes. OneNote is available to integrate with your SharePoint site so your team never has to leave a single pane of glass when working. Bonus, OneNote can also sync to Teams, so collaboration is a breeze no matter where your teams are at.
For more information about SharePoint, contact Vision Computer Solutions at info@vcsolutions.com or call us at 248-349-6115.